Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can calculate the percentage difference in Excel. So doing by knowing this percentage difference formula, you can evaluate the performance of your employee as compared to the other years. So here you can able to see that we have data 2099 and 2022. It's a sales data for all these employees mentioned here. So now we want to check, is their performance improving in the year 2020 or not? So for this, what is the formula? The formula is new data divided by old data minus 1. So if you see, we will select the new data divided by the old one minus 1. We can easily say that this employee Rakesh has increased sales 182% as compared to the year 2019. So that's the way you can also calculate the actual amount and the estimated budget. So for this, the formula is actual divided by budget, then minus 1. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video and will help